Meet the Lorex 4K Spotlight Battery Security Camera. Get security where you need it most, thanks to the battery-operated design. Install on your front door, garage, backyard, or playroom to suit your home and your needs. Hear and speak with two-way talk.
Oh, thanks. You can leave it at the door.
And answer instantly with quick response. The best part, you don't have to compromise your performance. This camera has ultra-clear 4K resolution and color night vision, so you get those added details throughout day and night. You can rest easy knowing that your camera has added defense features like warning light and siren to help stop incidents before they even happen. Never miss a thing when it comes to activity around your house with person detection and vehicle detection. With the quick release bracket, the camera is easy to not only install, but also release for charging. No stress and charge less. You have up to 4 to 6 months of battery life per charge. Convenience meets security anywhere you need. The 4K Spotlight Battery Security Camera by Lorex.